Hey everyone, welcome back to Craig's Trains, and I've got a brand new box that just showed up yesterday. It is October 1st, 2023, and from what you can see on the box, it says Rail King Freight Cars, but I hope that's not what's in there. We should have two new diesel engines to check out here next on Craig's Trains. I went ahead and opened up the big box, and from the packaging you can see that we've got the Norfolk and Southern -8 Lion Chief locomotive, as well as the CSX -8 Lion Chief locomotive. So I did get the CSX because I don't have one, and the Norfolk and Southern because I don't have one of those either. So these were pretty cheap engines, only about 200, like say 250 a piece, which wasn't too bad, I didn't think. So let's take a look at them. All right, I'm really excited to see what these look like, so let's go ahead and check them out. I do like the Norfolk and Southern because I do see JD Stucks with a lot of Norfolk and Southern on his train channel. So I said I had to get one of those for sure. All right. Let's take a look at the box. Tag, yep, there's a tag there. It says Norfolk and Southern -8 Lion Chief locomotive. All right. Got your instructions. Let's see how it's packaged. Okay. Not too bad. Comes with its own remote, so if you don't have the universal remote or a Lion Chief app on your phone, you can use the remote that comes with it. Let's get it out of the box. All right, so I can see definitely why it's a little cheaper engine. Doesn't have the weight that the bigger engines have. I don't think it has smoke either. This one looks like just a dummy hole there. Does have lights, a couple of lights up in front here as well. We'll have to check that out on the layout. Looks like it's got regular couplers, not electro couplers. How do these come off? Okay, so you've got a on-off switch. I guess that's for your sound. And there would be no smoke, so don't have to worry about that. Pickup rollers. Trucks. Got the detailing. Not as detailed as a more high-end expensive engine would be, but not too bad. Pretty cool paint scheme with the Norfolk and Southern. Go ahead and take a look at the CSX. I'm going to go ahead and talk while we're opening up the CSX model. So this the -8s were produced between 1984 and 1994. They were known for being the first diesel to use a microprocessor equipped engine control unit and the adopting a new modular design. And it did come in the Big Book catalog of 2022 and came in 4 road names: Union Pacific, Norfolk Southern, CSX, and BNSF. And there's what the CSX looks like. Take it out of the box. Another remote. There it is. Very cool detailing. Like I said, not as heavy as the bigger engines would be. This is the sound on and off, in case you want to take the sound off. Looks pretty identical to the other one, front wise. Yeah. For the price, I mean, not bad. Guess they're comparable to like a Menards. One of the Menards engines, because the Menards don't have smoke either. So let's take them over to the layout and let's hear how they sound and see how they perform. Alright, let's get some power to this track and let's take a look and see how it works. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Lion Chief app for this. The halo of the light's in the way there, but what are we going to do, right? Okay, let's try again there. There, it finds it now. Link it up. Pretty cool startup sound there. Let's check out the bell or the horn. See if it's got different levels of horn. I think I like that one the best. Okay. Check out some of the crew talk, see how that sounds.
This is the tower. Please start up and stand by. Over. Yes, sir. Start up and stand by. Out. Tower, on the coupled. Are we cleared on main line? Over. Hold for signal indication. Out. Dispatcher, made up and waiting on the clear track. Can I go? Over.
let's go ahead and disconnect the CSX and bring over the Norfolk and Southern and see how that works. Alright, so let's check out some of the sounds on the Norfolk and Southern.
This is the tower. Please start up and stand by. Over. Yes, sir. Start up and stand by. Out. Dispatcher, need help in waiting on the clear track. Can I go? Over. Over. I'm on the lead. Out.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you were able to get some information on whether you should buy one of these Dash 8 locomotives. A couple other things I did notice is there's no crew figure in the cabs on either one of these. Not a huge deal, but I guess you could probably put one in. Maybe I'll take it apart one day and try to put it in and put a cab figure or a crew figure in there and see how that works out. It does have that like annoying little whistle as well when it's not connected to the remote or the app, so that to consider too. And you know, it doesn't have any smoke. It doesn't. The crew talk was pretty good. I thought, you know, it was loud. It had a good speed, and I had a lot of fun running them around my layout. So for, you know, $250, you know, you're not going to get all the bells and whistles that you normally get with a higher end engine. But for me, like picking these two up and having a CSX and a Norfolk and Southern in my arsenal now is kind of cool. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and thanks to all my subscribers and everyone who's been supporting this channel for the last year and a half. So thanks again. Have a great day.